This stage of the sales process can be the reason a customer returns to the business and makes a repeat purchase. If post-sales is done correctly, it can turn into what Apple have managed to do and create a loyal base of fans of the brand. Post-sales service involves providing support for customers who have bought a product or service from the business. Apple have done this excellently well. Apple makes it as easy as possible for customers to get their problems resolved by offering us support within store. Again, this builds up a major amount of trust in the company with its loyal customers. Many retailers provide an online post-sales service in the form of chat facilities on their website where questions and problems are dealt with quickly and conveniently. Again, building trust between the brand and the consumer. Apple have thousands of employees who work on providing support to customers. Such a post-sales service allows people to enjoy their purchase in the knowledge that Apple will care for their product and needs when needed. Just as Apple has done, if you can build your sales process around the 5 stages in this video, then it can create extremely high levels of customer loyalty, an excellent reputation, and a sales process that encourages customers to repeat purchase and keep going through the sales process cycle again and again.